All right, well, before we head out, me and Cash are about to go pick up a Yamaha Zuma that was just posted on Facebook Marketplace. Not running. I talked the owner down to $500. It's sitting in a storage unit. So we're gonna drive out about 30 minutes right now and go pick that up. Okay, so here at the storage unit, just picked up this Yamaha Zuma. Doesn't run. I was told it was a 2012, but looks like it's a 2014, 125cc. Got the keys. Don't know anything else about it. It's dusty. Said it's been sitting for 3 years, which I believe it's been in that storage unit for 3 years. But it was last plated in 2017. So we'll see. We'll get it home, get in the light tomorrow, and start digging into it. Say hey to him, Cash. So more to come. So step one with the Zuma, just gonna throw it on the battery charger, see if there's any hope there. It was reading 11.4 volts. Oh, 12 volts. So we'll see if it charges up at all. I know the battery's old as hell and I'm not putting too much hope in it. 1% charge, so we'll see. I guess my next step, I'll probably get it on the center stand and start messing around with the fuel. So I'll do that right now. So by some miracle, saying the battery's good and it's charged. So I got the key. Let's see if it's got, just if the electronics work. I don't want to start it or anything. Oh, look at that. See the horn? Nope. Blanker. The other one. No headlights. That might be a switch issue. Sure gonna have to look into that. Maybe they only come on when it's on. I don't know. It's weird with the horn too. All right, well. Don't know how that works. Well, I'll pop this gas tank off, or this gas cap off, and then we'll start getting that fuel out. Oh, sweet. Do that now. Okay, got the gas siphoning from a pump. I just decided to do it from spout. It's not a big stream, it's a small one. So we'll wait for all that to drain out. And then throw some fresh gas in it and then assess what we should do next. Okay, so all the gas is drained. I'm just gonna see if it turns over. Brake in, engine stop off. Okay, starter works, that's good. So I think now I'm gonna get some fresh fuel in it, just see if she'll kick over. Here we go. Check the oil. I think the dipstick's up. Yep. It's low, but it's got oil. see if I can get it running. Kick that engine over a couple more times without fuel in it. Just get that oil turned over. And then we'll do an oil change and maintenance and whatnot later. First things first, we'll get some new fuel in it. All right, get this fuel in. All right. Add a seafoam. That would have been nice. Let's just give it a shot, see what happens. Engine run. Gearbox with a little go juice, see if that does anything. And it did. Try one more time. Okay. See if you can just start it up. Okay. Surely that carburetor has to come off and get cleaned. Whew. Smells like ether. I guess we'll start going through that process now. Meantime, I'm going to give it a couple more hits. So like an idiot, whenever I was buying this thing, I just assumed it was carbureted, didn't do any research. Thought I could pluck a carburetor off and it'd be good to go. Well, it turns out these 125s were fuel injected. So no carburetor. That's really nice though. You know, fuel injected bike, or fuel injected moped. Anyways, so if you're seeing these things on Marketplace and you think, oh, I could just rebuild a carburetor real quick, you can't do that. Can't do that. So live and learn. Got the fuel tank off and took out the fuel pump, and this is its current status. Let me get this O-ring off here. Current status, pretty clogged up, gross. Inside the fuel tank, there's all kinds of just trash. Let's see if I can get her in there. That was the fuel, that was the color of the fuel. Dumped out a bunch of it into there. Went ahead and ordered a new fuel pump. Got her here. So we're gonna get that on, clean out this, then get that on, plug her back up, and see if she fires on her own. So we'll do that real quick. Okay, I got it mocked up. Got the electronics all plugged up into it, and she's plumbed and everything. Got the vent cap back on. If I've done it right, then when I turn the key, the fuel pump will turn on. So check that now. 3, 2, 1. We love to hear that. So I'm gonna put some fuel in this tank. We'll see if she fires up. So, all right, tank's got some fuel in it. So first fire, let's see. We'll let that do its thing. All right, shit. I guess we'll button everything back up and get it on the ground and then out into the driveway.